Hello, my dear student. Welcome to my channel. Here, Mr. Adi. Today, I'm going to start the new course of Pearson. So, if you want to get 100% grade in this assignment, you must follow this video step by step, and you will get 100% grade in this assignment. If you want me to do this assignment, I will do this just in 20 minutes and will give you A plus grade in this assignment. Even I will do your complete course like MyLab Excel, Access, Word, PowerPoint, Power BI, and Outlook also. So the name of this chapter is Exp25 Excel Chapter 2 Cumulative Assessment Inland Euler 1.1. So in this assignment, 15 points are given to perform this project. Let's move on to step number 1. So before starting this assignment, I am providing help related to other courses also like MyLab Excel, Access, Word, PowerPoint, Power BI, MyLab Math, Statistics, Information Technology, Computer Science, Accounting and Finance, and other courses also. So our first step is start Excel, download and open the file name exp225 Excel chapter 2 cumulative inland Euler. So basically in this step it says that go into your course and download your instruction and answer file. I have already downloaded my instruction file and answer file. So this is our instruction file and this is our answer file where we will perform all instruction steps. So step number 1 is done now. Step number 2. Step number 2 is insert a function in cell B2 to display the current date from your system. So basically step number 2 says that in cell B2 insert a function which will display our current date. So we will go to answer sheet and just insert the function today function. Okay, double click and press enter. So this is our current date. So step number 2 is done. Now step number 3. Step number 3 is with cell B2 selected, set the width of column B to autofit. So we will go to answer file and we will select the column B, and at the end of column we will double click here. Okay, so this column will be autofit, or you can do this another way. Go to format and just click at autofit column width. Okay, just click here. Okay, you can do through two ways. So step number 3 is done. Now step number 4. So step number 4 is insert the function. Insert a VLOOKUP function in cell B5 to display the ring cost for the first student. The cost of the ring type should be an exact match. Use appropriate relative and absolute cell reference. So basically in step number 4 it says that insert a VLOOKUP function to display the ring cost of the first student. Okay, so we will go here and display the cell P5. So we will insert the function here. Which one function? VLOOKUP function is equal to VLOOKUP function. Double click and just click at insert function. Okay, so here we will take the lookup value. So we will take the lookup value B5. Okay, B5 is our lookup value and press tab. So table array. So this is our table array A16 up to B29. This is our table array and we will exclude this range. We will exclude this range. Press shift from keyboard, press shift and 4. Here also press shift and 4. Press tab. So column index. So this is our column index in cost row. The values are given in column 2. So that's why we will put here 2. Okay, and press tab. So range lookup. So range lookup is false. Okay, so after this we will just click at OK, and next use. Okay, so step number 4 is completely done. Now step number 5. So step number 5 is fill the function from cell C5 to the range C6 up to C11. So basically in step number 5, it says that fill the range from cell C5 to C6 up to C11. So we will drag this up to C11. So step number 5 is also done. Now step number 6. Step number 6 is apply accounting number format to the range C5 up to C11. So in step number 6, we will apply the accounting number to the range C5 up to C11. So first we will select the range C5 up to C11. So this range is already selected. So we will apply the accounting number. This is our accounting number. Okay. So step number 6 is also done. Now step number 7. So step number 7 is insert an if function in cell E5 to calculate the total due. If the student has chosen to personalize the ring, there is an additional charge of 5% located in cell B21 that must be added to the cost of the ring. If not, the student only pays the base price. Use appreciate relative and absolute cell reference. So basically in step number 7, we will insert the if function to calculate the total due. Okay. So we will insert the if function in cell E5. So we will display the cell E5 and is equal to if function, double click and insert function here. So we will take the logic test value. Okay. So if the student has chosen to personalize the ring, there is an additional charge of 5% located in cell B25 that must be added to the cost of the ring. If not, the student only pays the base price. Okay. So here we will take the logistic value. Okay, D5. D5 is equal to yes, is equal to inverted commas, yes, inverted commas close, press tab, and value if true. So we will take the cost value C5 plus bracket again C5 multiply by B21. Okay, B21. Sorry, B21. Yes, 5% located in cell B21. Yes, B21, and we will exclude this cell. Okay, bracket close, press tab, and value if false. Again, we will take the cost value C5. So after this, just check this formula. I have taken the logistic value D5 is equal to yes, and value if true C5 plus C5 plus into C5 multiplied by B21 bracket close, and value if false C5 again. Okay, so after this we'll just click that. Okay, so step number 7 is completely done. Now step number 8. Step number 8 is fill the function from the cell E5 to the range E6 up to E11. So in step number 8, we will drag this cell from cell E6 up to E11. Okay. So step number 8 is also done. Now step number 9. Step number 9 is apply accounting number format to the range E5 up to E11. So this range is already selected, E5 up to E11. So we will apply the accounting number format to this range. So this first you will select this range and then go to accounting number format, this one. Okay. So step number 9 is done. Now I have done almost 60% of this assignment. Just count these marks. Okay, I have done almost 60% of this assignment. So if you want to get complete assignment, I will do this just in 30 minutes, just in 20 minutes, and will give you A plus grade in this assignment. Even I will do your complete course like MyLab Excel, Access, Word, PowerPoint, Power BI, and Outlook also. And I will help you in your other courses also like all type of accounting and finance, mathematics, statistics, information technology, computer science, management, marketing, all type of writing work, MATLAB, Python, C++, Java, and other courses also. We are complete team. That's why we are providing help related to all online courses. And we have a guaranteed that we will provide A plus grade in your all classes. Thank you for watching this complete video. Please subscribe this channel for upcoming assignments. Once again, thank you.